Karan, tell me something about your new book.
Yeah, Between Tastes,
Yeah.
where every bite tells a story. So this is basically a fiction account of food and food history stories, which takes you to different era in history, and they're short stories for children to read, bedtime stories, so that they can relate themselves with food. Food is like an emotion. It gets out new feelings. Whenever I remember my first heartbreak, it was when at the age of 5, when I dropped my first ice cream. So these kind of stories are there when you're small. For example, we had a special tiffin box which my mother used to make, and whenever I used to open it during recess, these guys would already have eaten the full tiffin box. So that's another emotion I learned, anger, that I had to starve because my mom cooked something which was so tasty that I couldn't get it because others loved it, so they had the whole meal.
So, which is your favorite chapter in the book?
The chutney story is a story which I really enjoyed writing in this book, and it really brings out a lot of emotions. And people would love to read the book while having something, and maybe my main idea of writing the book is that the kids' emotions would come out, and they would relate things and different kind of emotions with food, and the importance of food as a storytelling device. It's all about stories. So this is what I want to take out, that people and children are able to share their stories through food. So this, as a medium, it's a very challenging book which I had to write, and I ensured that food gets the importance that it really deserves.
Perfect. So, I've known you since childhood. There's something about you and food. What is one thing that attracts you towards food? I think anything and everything you do lately has been around food, whether it's blogging, whether it's about reviewing food.
Writing about food, writing about different cultures, different cuisines all over India. I've been studying food and going to different places, food festivals, and even recently I did a food festival wherein I was invited. They had come from the Himalayas, so they had Pahadi Uttarachal food festival. So they have something authentic that they bring. So the food festival is something which really brings the authenticity of the meal of that city or that place to your town. So these kind of food festivals, I think, are a very good initiative, and definitely in there's a lot of potential with food industry growing so well. So we really need to stand and ensure that our Indian cuisine is promoted the right way all over the world. So I think this initiative, with a lot of chefs who are doing a very good job, and the hotels and the hospitality industry, I would like to congratulate them, and I would help them and ensure that they are in the right path and they're doing the right things, promoting the right kind of stuff about India and the traditional and culture of our food, which is very historical, and all these cuisines are from long history. They have a long history, and that is what I wanted to share in this book.
So, my last question. You've lately been curating a lot of food events. So, do we see event wherein you get in home chefs and you kind of execute
Yes.
the things you've written, maybe let people also taste that food?
Yeah, there are a lot of initiatives which are going on with food festivals, and it's happening now in restaurants also, not only hotels. And our initiative would be we are working on a kind of a OTT series wherein we are promoting new chefs from out of Delhi also, to show their talent, showcase their talent, and get noticed. So this is something new which I'm sure is going to happen soon. That is one of my new initiatives in the coming time.
Wishing you all the very best.
Thank you. Pleasure talking to you.
Take care. See you.
Thank you.